Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opening at 4,380. So even though we expected a crude oil to stay in downtrend, we thought that once the price gives a bounce back towards key resistance, we can go for selling. So right after the opening, the price found resistance near 4,390s and it came down till 4,320, find some support and closed near 3,495. So it had created a new low and closed above the opening and the previous day's price closing, and today you can expect the price to open somewhere near 4,400, which gives us some indication that the market can go for some retracement consolidation. So what we can do, as we had informed earlier, that we cannot trade within this 320 and 420 zones. We need to wait for the price to move near 4,480 the resistance above this particular zone. We need to go for selling till 4,560, because the price had dropped from 4,800. It is a very big drop, and at least we need certain amount of retracements. So again, we need to wait for the price to come near 4,520s, then or at least 4,480s to go for selling till 4,560 by placing stop loss near 4,570, or else wait for the price to come near 4,260s, 4,220s, and then you can, as we had informed, you can buy some call options, expecting that the price can move up. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. There is no change in our strategy. We expect the price to test at least the top or the bottom to go for buy or sell situations. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.